Building community. Finding the right person to talk to in a business or organization can be challenging. Brilliance is specifically positioned to make connections between key stakeholders and drive collaboration to build sustainable, purposeful community. You can search for members to connect with by filtering elements such as job title or company sector. Once you find a person of interest, you can click on them to view their profile in detail, and if you'd like, you can request to connect with them. When they accept your connection, you will receive a notification and begin a conversation. Attracting partners. The best way to drive collaborative connections is to tell people what you want to partner on. You can post collaboration opportunities so other members know exactly how to engage. To post, you click on the Opportunities button. This opens a form where you can provide details of the opportunity, such as a title, a description. You can also add category tags and biographical information, which can help direct the post to other feeds. When satisfied, you can post. Once live, it will be visible to people in your network, users who have compatible filters and alerts activated, and it will be present and searchable on the Opportunities main page.